Hello everyone, it's Aprilia and welcome back to my channel, Insurance in Indonesia Home Country Insurance. As your insurance company in your home country, what coverage they offer during your stay overseas, as well as during travel to and from your new posting and on business trips. For example, you may assume that your homeowner's policy will cover you no matter where you live, but in actuality, there are may be many situations that aren't covered by your home country insurance policy during your stay overseas. Also, there are always complications in processing claims if overseas-based companies have no one to investigate locally. Regardless of possible insurance coverage in your home country, we advise you to locally purchase insurance protection for your property, or if you own it, your household, your cars, your personal liability, and your domestic staff. Whereas for your medical insurance policy in your home country, you might already have sufficient coverage. Insurance for your employees. If you are working for a multinational firm in Indonesia, most likely the company has insurance policies for its employees through group policies for health, life, and personal accident. Often these insurance schemes are good selling points in encouraging competent Indonesian staff to join the firm. Joint venture general insurance firms can also manage an internal insurance scheme. If you'd prefer to keep it all in-house, the government accident insurance scheme, Jamsostek, covers employee accident, death, old age, and healthcare. Portion of the premium are paid by the company and partially by the employee. This scheme is obligatory for companies with more than 10 employees and a payroll of more than 10 million rupiah per month. And then insurance for household staff. It is customary but not mandatory for expats as well as Indonesians to cover the basic medical expenses of their household staff and drivers. Your maids, cook, and driver may expect reimbursement of all medical expenses, outpatient and hospital, as well as assistance with maternity care costs. Unlike in development countries, these medical bills are very reasonable as your servants will go to neighborhood practitioners who don't charge high rates. Because of this, some expats may choose not to take care out for their staff, but rather cap the amount of medical expense they are willing to cover in any 1 year. Most commonly, it is the equivalent of 1 month's salary to ensure that you don't get stuck with high medical bills for a household staff member. You might want to consider a precondition of their employment that they pass a medical exam where they would be checked for TB and other communicable diseases. If you are requiring this examination, it will be expected that you will pay for it. If a staff member you have already hired does have a serious disease that requires long-term treatment, it may be better to supply them with medicine and have them return to the village for their recovery period. Your household staff will probably hope that your generosity will carry over to their children and spouse. While not required, it is quite common that expats assist in paying medical expenses of immediate family members of their household staff on a case-by-case basis. Some may ask for loans for medical care for extended family members. Again, it's best to approach this request on an individual case-by-case basis. And then personal liability insurance. This coverage is a must for expatriates living in Indonesia. Please check your policy in your home country whether or not it includes worldwide coverage, which gives you some comfort in case of a legal dispute while you are traveling. Despite your worldwide coverage, we recommend you purchase a personal liability policy in Indonesia with a joint venture insurance company, because the judicial system in Indonesia is a nightmare for foreigners. You are well advised to delegate this job to capable insurance company, which will either compensate you for the claim or dispute it on your behalf. Okay, that's for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe this channel. And see you in the next video, and bye bye.